Okay, so in this tutorial, I really wanted to show you what happens when you set up the waiting room for your registrants or your attendees to be attending either your live class or your live webinar. So as I said yesterday, the waiting room is a really useful time. It gives you the best part of 15 minutes to test your audio, your video, your permissions for sharing screen, whiteboards. It gives you the opportunity to add your co-hosts and make sure they're set up properly. But really, it just gives you that buffer to allow as many bums on seats as possible. So what I've done is I've set up a live webinar. I have been in the waiting room, or been in the webinar now 15 minutes prior to going live. I've just gone live, and as you can see, I've got a big icon here saying 2 people have entered the waiting room for this meeting. Okay, so what that means is that I've signed up for this webinar or this class on 2 different devices. So I'm currently waiting. I am requesting to be allowed into the webinar or the live class as and when the host, the presenter, is ready. So here I am. There are two waiting. Martin Hickey, I'll be Martin Hickey iPhone, and Martin Hickey on my laptop. Now, you have the possibility here to obviously admit or remove. So if you believe that there's somebody within your live class or webinar who shouldn't be there, they're in the waiting room right now, so there's no harm done. You can remove them, okay? If they've caused problems before, as an example, you can remove them and have a separate conversation. But in this case, what we want to be doing is we want to be admitting, okay? So we'll admit the iPhone and we'll admit the computer. Now, there's a good chance that the videos may just come off. So that is what is all you need to do is you just need to press admit, and that gives them access into your live class and webinar.